To prepare hash browns, we need 3 spoons of cornstarch for the binding, half spoon of black pepper, half spoon soya sauce, half spoons of chili flakes, and half spoon salt. Once it is half fried, take it away from the stove. Keep this inside the fridge for 30 minutes so that it gets set. To prepare white sauce, we need 200 ml milk, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, half spoon chili flakes, and a pinch of salt. Our hash browns are ready. It is so crispy and yummy. Do try this recipe at your home. Filter the remaining oils and use it again. Thanks for watching.